Hello everyone, I am Sanjeet. Today I am going to show you the easiest way of making your own face mask and the easiest way of decorating your own mask. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start. Welcome back. So now we will start the process of making our own face mask. So first thing comes in our mind, what kind of material we are going to use. So the material we are going to use to make the face mask is, yes, we are going to use this single A4 size sheet, nothing else. We will use this paper to make our own mask. So let's start the process. So first you need to have a equal balanced surface. There you put your sheet nicely. So now we will start the process. Watch it carefully. It is very easy. You will learn easily. Don't worry. So now we have to make first 3 regular folds like 1, 2 and 3. So when you open this, you will have the horizontal lines like this. Okay. Now we need to remove one strip from the either side, either this side or you can use this side. I'm taking from this side. Now this will be used to make the string. Okay. So first we'll keep aside. Now we need to have one front and one back fold. So like one front, turn, one back. Like this. So you will have the whole strip like this. Now we'll keep aside and we will make the string. We need 2 string. For that we need to divide in 2 parts. Try to follow how I am holding the paper and how I am folding. It will be easier. Now you just separate this part. Now this will be one string and this will be another string. So first we'll see this. Right now this paper doesn't have a string. We need a string. It should have a string. So for that we need to do some foldings. So first you make a mark like half and then fold that paper. Like you don't have to mark like whole sheet. You can just mark in the initial and then fold it here like this and then just follow the line. Okay. Even it is not coming correctly, just follow the line, you will get it. And try to see how I am doing. It is very fast and easy. Now the other part will keep in the middle, same way. Let's take this side because this side it will take time to fold. So we'll turn this side and we'll go like this. Now you have the center line. On the merge the center line. So this, see, it merge like this. So keep on this. So just now we are ready with the one string. Okay, now see, this string has paper has a strength. Okay, the same thing we'll make with this. We will use this for another string. Same process. So now we have two string which has a strength. Okay. So now the next step, to make hole this side and this side. To make the hole, I suggest don't use paper, pen or pencil, otherwise you will end up with this. So to make a hole, we will make a handmade tool. Like you can take any dry stem of a tree and then you sharp with the knife or paper cutter, and then you will have this tool. Okay. So while making the hole, don't use whole bunch of paper once to make the hole, so it will be very hard then. So to make it easy, we'll go one by one. And don't make hole like this much far or this much close, like half inch enough. Like one this. And this side, and we will do the same thing this side. Now you have to pass this string through this hole. So if you are not able to see the hole, you just put the stick again and then you just don't bring the more string this side. So we need this much, and make one knot, just one knot. Now this side, the another string. Keep this knot front side, not this side or sideways, this side. So here I have used the tying part of the string, but there is another method. If you have a stapler, so you can easily just staple this also. Like you can keep anywhere here and then staple like this. So see, easy. So you can have the both side like this. So if you have a stapler, then you can use. Otherwise, it's good to have this also. Okay, these two techniques you can use. So now you have this two string, and then it will be used to tie to the back of your head. Okay. So now you have to make the opening parts. So just hold the upper part and lower part, and we just stitch like this. And you can push from this side or from the back side. It depends on you. Nicely push it and push it nicely so that you will have a nice pattern outside. See? So the mask is ready. Now you can put on your face, and one side keep the string above your ear, this side and this side. Okay, and tie two knots from back side. So you will have your mask ready. See? Like this. So this mask will last for one day, but if you keep it safely, you can have 2 days maximum. So now I will show you the designing part of the front area. It is very easy. Okay, and also I will show you to make this mask by using different kind of sheet, color sheet or tissue paper. Okay, so let's start there. You can use this tissue paper to make your own mask. Okay, so but you have to be very careful while handling, because this is very delicate. So like, see, like this. The next option is like color sheet. You can buy from the market A4 size sheet. It is available. You can have different kind of colors and you can make the mask with this, right? Another technique is, this technique is called butterfly technique. This is like you just fold it in half and then put some color and then you just press it like this, you will have this texture. So you can create beautiful butterfly for your mask. And this design, if you have kids in your home, you can just give them color pencil or something, they will create something, some doodles. Okay, so this will also you can use for your mask. And if you know some doodling, floral doodling or lining, you can design something with color pencil or pen. You can use your black pen. Okay, so this also you can use for your mask. If you have paint, watercolor or postal color with you, you can just paint like this kind of typography and you can use for your mask. Okay, this is very interesting design. This you can get it very easily. This is called taking impression of live texture. So you can go outside, roam around and you can find in your shoes, tire or somewhere. You can just keep your paper and just rub the pencil, any color, any black and white pen, anything, you can just rub it and you will get this texture. Now we'll move further. So if you have computer and you have little with knowledge, so you can search on Google any design, whatever you like, and you can just copy and paste to arrange in PowerPoint like in landscape, and you can have this kind of design, this kind of typography, follow your heart. And also you can just copy paste some kind of prints, paintings, artworks, okay, these kind of things. You can just copy paste and take print out. You can create beautiful masks. So now I think you can make your own mask easily. I hope you like this idea. So share with your friends and family, and even you can teach them now. And if you want to know in detail about this project, just click the link, portfolio link in the description. You will get to know more about this project. So thank you so much. Goodbye. Stay safe.